Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss what is the key difference between Object.key, Object.values and Object.entries. Without further ado, let us start the video. Now, what I'll do, I'll create a file, let's say Object entries I'll write dot .js. So I'll create a simple object. Let's say I'll create a student marks. So I'll write A got 90 marks, B student got 85 marks, C student got 76 marks. Now, what are object.keys? Keys are this. Keys are the exact this one. A, B, C are the keys. The values are this one 90, 85 and 76 are the values. What are the entries? So I'll do a console.log. Console.log. I'll do object.keys. I have to enter the object student marks. So if I console log this one, let's say in node object entries object.entries.js. So as you can see, the keys are ABC. So what if I do a console log of object.values? Values is small v. So let's see what are the values. So values are ABC keys. Values are 90, 85, 76. So what is the difference between values? Now we will see the difference with the keys, values and entries. So I put console.log object dot. If you put dot, if I click or if I press E, we'll get entries. Entries we have to pass the object student marks. If I pass that object entries, we'll get the key, we'll get the values, we'll get the entries. See, entries will get an object, inside that each and every key value pair will get. So entry is nothing but a key value pair. So we'll see how it is used. So I'll write a simple function. Now I have commented this above statement. Let us see the total number of marks achieved by the student in a class. So I'll write a function of the function for that. So I'll write total marks. So I'll write I want object for that. So I'll write an object here obj. So now I'll write total marks as an object as a variable. So initially I'll write it as 0. Now I'll use a for loop for let val of object dot values of object. Now I'll write it here total marks plus equal to val. So what I'll do, I'll return the function return. So if I call that function console.log the total marks are, I'll write plus total marks of object is student marks. Now let me execute it. The total marks are 251. So 90 plus 85 plus 76 are 251. Now what I want to write it in the proper sentence that A got 90, B got 85, C got 76. For that, let me comment this one. I'll write another function. function student entries. I'll write an object here. So open bracket, close bracket. I'll write a for loop, and for loop I'll pass let an array of key and value of object.entries of an object. So I'll write console.log. Here we can use a JavaScript variable. I'll say a got, so if I save that and I'll call this function here, I'll return the value. I'll call the function student entries of student marks. Let me execute it. See, A got 90 marks, B got 85 marks, C got 76 marks. So there is one more way we can use like this also. So if I want to use the JavaScript dollar symbol, I'll put console.log. It will be using the reference. We have to use this symbol, and we have to put dollar, and we have to give key, open bracket, and we have to give key. So you can see the color has changed. So I have to do the same thing. Got same, I can use a dollar symbol, open bracket, close bracket. I'll write value space marks. Instead of adding a plus symbol like this, I can use it like this. So let me save it. Let me write node Object.entries.js. I got the same. A got 90 marks, B got 85 marks, C got 70 marks. Hope you like the video, guys. If you find the video really informative, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.